Okay, this is the first waterfalls that we explore here in Korea. And they say that Korea is the Hawaii of Korea. Yes, only because it's mountainous and there's so much waterfalls just like Hawaii. Let's look for Cole. Maybe he's doing a selfie with Ate Danny. There's Cole Baron and my beautiful Danny. Yes, Cole.
Ano ba yan?
Be
Kasi-
careful. It's slippery, Cole. Look at those small waterfalls as we zoom in.
Tulog ka dyan, basa ka pa.
Wow. Small waterfall inside a small cave. And Cole wants to do a selfie. I'll take your picture too, ah. Smile, Cole. Yes. I can take a video and a photo at the same time. As I pan my camera towards the left, with the Koreans enjoying their own land here in Jeju Island.
그러다 들어가면 같이 들어가.
And my camera woman, Danielle, using a Go Professional. Okay. Oh wait, Daniel, I'll take their picture. Oh, Cole, are you joining, Mama? Oh, ikaw na lang. All right. Selfie, selfie. Oh, sandali ah. Kailangan kasama yung waterfalls. Okay, smile. Okay, very good.
Danny, can you take my picture?
What about you, Cole? Another picture with mom? No more. Oh, kayong dalawa. Dyan, Cole, oh. Okay, kayong dalawa, oh. Hindi, huwag ka na mag-posing, Cole. Oh, just look at the camera. Okay, just look at the camera and smile. Okay, very good. Wow, I can go hiking on these waterfalls with those rocks, just like Pico de Loro. It's a steep climb going to the falls. Very, very clear waters. No pollution. It's like a mirror on my camera. No wonder Jeju is a very touristic place because of the cleanliness. With a lot of trees surrounding the whole area. Wow, it's so nice to unwind here. Just relax and have a cup of coffee if you have one. It's nature at its best here in Jeju, the island of Korea. Finished with their selfies, it's time to get to the next waterfalls. Okay, maybe 2 or 3 more waterfalls.